Hi pretty moms! Welcome to my godly homemaking vlog. I'm Mommy Apple and my goal is to create a home that reflects God's love and principles. I have created my planner including monthly budget, daily planner or to-do list, and weekly meal planner. In this way, mas organized, mas productive ang buong araw ko dahil namamanage ko ng maayos ang oras, and it also helps me to focus na accomplish ko yung mga important things to do in a day. Yung first page, nilaminate ko siya since we have laminator naman para mag-serve na rin siya as cover. And sa first page is yung daily planner, and then next pages are monthly budget na pinrint ko naman using bond paper. And then the last page is yung weekly meal planner na nilaminate ko rin para sa back cover naman. And then nagprint rin ako ng activities for my kids na cursive writing practice kasi kailangan pa nilang i-improve yung writing skills nila lalo na sa cursive. Are you answering God's call? Paano nyo ito tinutugon? Ang pagtugon sa tawag ng Diyos bilang isang mabuting may bahay ay isang mahalaga at makabuluhang tungkulin. Being a homemaker and motherhood is a lot of giving, a lot of sacrifices. There are some ways to make it more meaningful, ways to embrace and honor this calling according to the Bible. Una sa lahat, we need to strengthen or cultivate our spiritual foundation. Kailangan simulan ng bawat araw sa panalangin at pagninilay. Seek divine wisdom, guidance, and strength from God in our daily tasks and decisions. Psalm chapter 5 verse 3, You hear my voice in the morning. At sunrise, I offer my prayer and wait for your answer. Psalm chapter 25 verses 4 to 5, Teach me your ways, O Lord, make them known to me. Teach me to live accordingly to your truth, for you are my God who saves me. I always trust in you. Another way to answer God's call is to embrace the value of our role. Ang role natin ay sumusuporta sa development hindi lang ng ating sarili kundi pati na rin ng ating pamilya. Laying a foundation for a stable and loving home. Ang pagtanggap at pagyakap sa tungkulin bilang may bahay, bilang isang biyaya at pagkakataon na maglingkod ay nagpapalakas ng ating bokasyon. In Proverbs chapter 3 verses 5 to 6, Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight. Another way to answer God's call is to serve with love and joy. Kailangan gawin natin ang mga tungkulin natin sa bahay ng may pusong puno ng pagmamahal at kasiyahan. Pagluluto, paglilinis, pag-aayos ng bahay at pag-aasikaso sa asawa at mga anak. Doing all of this with a joyful spirit can transform them into acts of service and devotion. Dapat ang ating tahanan ay maging sanctuary of peace and positivity. This time, naglilinis naman na ako ng head salmon. Since tight ang budget, head salmon na lang muna sa ngayon. Pero malaman pa rin siya at na-enjoy pa rin namin yung linamnam. Magluluto ako ng sinigang na salmon. Kahit mainit ang panahon, masarap pa rin humigop ng sabaw, diba mga moms? Yung mother-in-law ko, ganito yung tinuro niya. Na after mapakulo yung onion, ginger, and tomatoes, isusunod na yung fish na pakuluan. And then, after 10 to 15 minutes, hahanguin na yung mga fish at isusunod yung mga gulay. Ginagawa ito para ma-prevent ang mga fish na madurog-durog pag nagsasandok na. Magandang tip, di ba mga mami? Another way to answer God's call is to prioritize relationship with our family. Kailangan nating mag-focus sa pag-build ng strong relationship by spending time with our spouse and children at mag-create ng memories with them kahit sa simpleng paraan. We also need to provide support and encouragement to our spouse para sa pag-abot ng ating mga goals na naka-align din sa goals ni God. 1 Peter chapter 4 verse 10. Each of you should use whatever gift you have received to serve others as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various forms. In Sirach chapter 26 verse 16. The beauty of a good wife in her well-kept home is like the noonday sun shining in the Lord's sky. After namin mag-lunch ng mga bata at sa mga chores, nag-start na kami sa kanilang daily devotional. Memorization of Bible verse and watching Bible story of the day, and also memorizing worship songs every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks na bagong song, worship song. Mahalaga na habang bata pa lang ay ma-develop na ang personal relationship nila with God. It helps them to build a strong foundation of faith at maiiwas sila sa mga gawang masasama. In Mark chapter 10 verse 14, Jesus said, "Let the little children come to me, and do not hinder them, for the kingdom of God belongs to such as this."
Wala kang katulad, wala nang hihigit sa'yo. Wala kang katulad, wala nang papantay sa'yo. Ikaw ang Diyos noon pa man, maging ngayon at kailanman. Sa habang panahon, wala kang katulad.